up in the morning feeling energized. SDG lifestyle got me feeling alive. No more low back, no more lazy days. Now I'm showing up in powerful ways. Happy habits every single day. Slow routines can change your way.
Yung good morning. Kasama natin yung si Idol, oh. Yun. Pag-highland kami ngayon. So, let's go! So, marami kami. I think nasa 30 kami ngayon, no? Mag-highland happy. So, let's go! Sabay ka? Tara!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay, let's go.